Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer door shell bean in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer door shelf bean. There are two identical door shelf beans located on the inside of the freezer door. The main reason to replace the door shelf bean is if it's broken and won't stay in place or keep the objects in. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the freezer door shelf bean, we need to use the flat blade screwdriver, and we're gonna insert it right in here in the seam and push it in. At the same time, I'm going to lift it up like that, and I'll go to the other side. I'm gonna do the same thing. This is it. This is the old freezer door shelf bean next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Right, so I'm going to show you how we're going to install this new piece. We've got there's lugs here on the side, both sides, and we've got these tabs on the side of the door. So we're going to hold it this way, and I'm going to place it in. And push it down. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.